everybody, welcome back to another video. As I promised in my Temu haul, I was going to be doing a video of stuff that I got from Amazon. I also did get a couple of messages on our Instagram from people saying they don't really feel safe with shopping with Temu, and they'd rather see me show some of the stuff that I get from Amazon. So today, that's what we're doing. 2 ribbon lots to show you, and I will be giving prices along with this. And yeah, it's going to be a short video, but hopefully this helps you guys out some. The first lot is this really sweet set of 8 prints that are rainbows. Apparently my ribbon does not want to stay. Give me a second. Alright, we're just sticking a lighter there. This is from the seller David Accessories store, and it comes in a couple of different color choices. You can get green, mix, orange, or what I got was purple. So you can get a couple different color options, and these are 5 yards each, and the lot is $7.99. It's a decent quality ribbon, I will have to say. It's not overly thin, and the print really seems to be decent. I love this one, to be perfectly honest, but I look forward to using these with unicorn bows, because mostly that's what I use rainbow print with, but there's a wide variety of different colors. So honestly, I would recommend these. They're cute. David Accessories store also has a lot of the faux leather sheets for bow making. I would definitely check them out. This is not sponsored. I don't get money from doing this. I'm just showing you guys what I purchased, and hopefully you guys are interested in it as well. This is the second lot I got. I took a chance with this one because it was a color palette I normally don't work with. Honestly, I normally don't work with these colors, but the minute I saw it, I thought these would make really great fall bows. That's why I ended up getting them. Again, this is from David Accessories. They're 5 yards each. There were a couple of different choices. You had what said dots, dot stripes, floral leaves, flowers. These are the hearts and the mix. Everything but the flowers and the mix are $13.99 for the lot. The flowers and the mix are $11.99. If you have Amazon Prime, this works out great because you can order it in 2 weeks to, if you're like me, a week later, you'll get your ribbon. So pretty cute. Again, same quality, not too thick, not too thin. I don't particularly like thick ribbon because it's harder to manipulate it. Your choice, obviously, but I'm pretty okay with this. I like it. I wholeheartedly give it my approval. I did get some rhinestones in. I know in my Temu haul I showed you guys the very disappointing rhinestones that I got that were way too small. I do believe that I got Hot Fix rhinestones, but that's fine. You can still glue those on. So there is a tip: if you cannot find regular rhinestones, you can always look at getting Hot Fix ones. They will glue on just fine. I will show you guys a bow that I used the rhinestones with. Yes, that is Blippi, and as you can see, the rhinestones adhere to the cap quite nicely. and they look gorgeous in the light. The lot of Hot Fix rhinestones that I got, it was a sorry, it was a 1,600 piece set, and I will show you guys my phone. It came in 3 different cases. It also came with a pickup pencil and tweezers. I usually don't use those. However, I am perfectly happy with the rhinestones. In fact, I don't run into the problem of some of the cheaper ones where when you glue it on with E6000, you can actually see the glue underneath. You don't have that problem because the Hot Fix rhinestones have a backing to them almost. It's like a gray backing. And that prevents that problem. So all in all, really happy with the rhinestones as well. The Amazon haul was actually free for me. No, Amazon did not sponsor me. I have a rewards app called Fetch. And again, this is not sponsored as well. I'm just telling you guys how I got a $50 shopping trip for free. I have a rewards app called Fetch. Scan receipts in, you get points. And I ended up saving up, got a $50 gift card. All of this stuff was paid for out of that. So in this economy, we all need a little bit extra. I would recommend you guys signing up for Fetch. No, I'm not going to give you my code. If you want it and you get free stuff and I get free stuff, let me know. I will leave it down in the comments, but I'm not going to leave it here. I just want you guys to know that you can sign up for that app and get Amazon gift cards and get free stuff for crafting. So that being said, this was my very small Amazon haul. I hope you'd enjoyed it. If you have any other places to go shopping for craft supplies that you would like to see hauls for, please leave those down in the comments below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below as well. If you liked this video, please click like. Check out the rest of the videos I have up on my channel. If you are not subscribed, click the subscribe button. Right next to it, click the bell button. Set your notifications to all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I am going to be doing a tumbler as well as a different style of stacked bow. That one, the stacked bow, will be coming up next. But stick around, check out what I have. Also make sure to check my playlist for tutorials. Covers everything I've done thus far. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Bye.